As a lot of you guys know, I'm down south here and at my country property that I recently bought this past summer on 20 acres. Absolutely, it's really awesome out here. But I'm going to tell you guys, there is a sketchy road not far from me that is this dirt road that goes out yonder. And they warn me, don't be careful on this road, that it's really sketchy. They warn me, don't go on this road, man. But hard-headed CycleCruzas I got to experience it for myself. So we gonna go down that sketchy road and see what's down there. And also see this shady local that stared me down.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
The awesome, beautiful 2019 YZ450FX Custom Supermoto, which I did a full build series on. I have a video link in the description and comment section of the video. We're going to take it on the sketchy road down there. I got my Shinko 705 tires that do okay off-road, So this is really a dual sport, but it's got the 17-inch wheels, so it's good on the street. Make sure you're wearing the gear so you don't have an effed up day, though, whatever you're riding and wherever you're riding. I have some awesome gear if you want to get it, and I got links to it, like this super lightweight carbon fiber helmet. It comes with an automatic tint shield, my motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep you safe, shorty gloves, jacket. All my gear, I include links in the description and comment section of my video. That brat, baby. Yeah, baby, we out here. We going to this sketchy road out here. It's weird out here, in this country area, man, because we got some really, some mansions out here, some really sprawling setups, and then we got some like little shanties and stuff, man, with little tin roofs, man, that don't even look habitable, but it is. Look at that, boy. It's rough, man. They living out of a trailer there, but which is, hey, that's cool, man. You know what I'm saying? I live out of my van in parking lots. So, I'm down with it, man. Living a cheap life, you know what I'm saying? And saving up for getting that really nice joint. So I'm not putting it down by any means, you know what I'm saying? I've lived poor as a church mouse, so I know how it is. Look at that. I mean, that place should be demolished there, man. I don't see how anybody can live in that joint. And then you got this sprawling setup here. Check this out. This big estate here. Big, beautiful house. And they got an absolutely epic lake there that would be so awesome to jet ski on and get a power boat, go fishing and everything. And look at that. That goes all the way. Look how big that lake is. It's like the biggest private lake I've seen, man. That's crazy. It's awesome. And then you got places over here that's got the roofs caving in. That's just how it is down south out here in the country. What I really love, these country roads, are no cops. You could bust wheelies out here. But this is the road here. Wait a minute, where is it? Right here, man. Sketch. This is sketchy. And it got rocks. You gotta be real careful, man. See, rocks are not a motorcycle's best friend. I tell you that. It's rough, man. Even with dirt bikes, with knobbies, I hate rocks. Rocks and leaves, gravel, slide all over the place, man. Definitely don't stand up. That's why I tell you guys, with the Supermoto, you definitely, you don't want to be standing up like a dirt bike when you go off-road or anything, because these wheels are really slippery on off-road stuff, man. So you gotta be really careful, man, because that's how I broke my collarbone, man. I was standing up like it was a dirt bike, or on my WR250R or something, and that wheel hit a hidden log, man, and threw my hand off. My hand jerked off, and I fell awkwardly and broke my collarbone, man. Painful. I don't recommend that, guys. That's very painful. Wear that airbag vest. I didn't have my airbag vest back then. Let's check this out. Okay, we throw it in third gear. Check it out, man. Got some really cool tracts of land up here. But I would not want to be dealing with this road every day. I tell you that, man. This is rough, boy. Woo! Rough dirt roads out here. I better hurry up and get over here before I get splashed on by this SUV, man. Look at that. Like you got a little lake right here. It's crazy, man. Now, who is this dude here? You don't have to back up. I'm on a motorcycle, bro. You can go on ahead. He's trying to back up and get out of the way. Look at this. See, this is rough right here. Look at that. Have been flying through here. Bam! Hit that. It set you up for a real effed up day. I told you it's sketchy. They said it was sketchy. I know I'm going super slow, man, because I just, like I said, you don't want to have a real effed up day back here, man. You may be left out here, boy. No joke, man. Just hope nobody bothers me out here, because I don't want. This isn't a private road. This is a public road, I believe. So I don't think anybody. I'm not going on private land or anything. He said that this guy, old timer, that had that junkyard in back of my property, which I met those neighbors, and he said that at one time back in the polio days or something, like they buried people out here or something, the polio victims or something, in some area out here, he was saying. I was like, for real? That's crazy, man. It's sketchy out here, boy. I don't know if they used to have them like camps. Oh shoot, look at that. Yeah, but like I said, these tires I got on here are not the best dual sport tires for off-road. Better street than off-road, I tell you that. I don't know, man. This is looking kind of sketch, bro. What's this? We got a creek right here or something, man. Look at that. I don't want to get stuck in that, man. Alright, let's do it. Okay. There's like 4x4 in it. Whoa, we did it! Oh, man. Oh, boy. And I tell you, it's not too far, probably about an hour and a half from darkness, man. So, I don't know if I'm going to go too far here, man. It looks sketch. Looks sketch, dude. But life's all about adventures and taking some risks, man. Otherwise, what fun is life, man? Just sitting there being safe all the time. Sitting up there watching TV. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta be careful. Nobody's flying by here. It can set you up for a real effed up day. Somebody on a... This would be a good road for a side-by-side, man. Check it out. These roads are gnarly out here, man. Posted. It's got all these posted signs here. No trespass. I ain't trespass. I'm on public road, baby. You're on the red dirt road out here. What we got here, man? Look at this. How did people just throw their mattresses out here, man? What the hell? I hope this isn't like the movie Wrong Turn, man. You know what I'm saying? Where they got like a barbed wire here they pull up. Take your bike and you disappear out here, man. Next thing you know, you'll be on that show Discovery ID. No, man. And I didn't bring my piece either, man. And you know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to keep it. I don't know, dude. I ain't going any farther, man. This is getting crazy. Look at this. This is going through creek beds and stuff. I don't have the proper tires for this, man. I'm getting out of here, dude. And it's really muddy too, man. Oh, man. Getting out of here, bro. Nope, I ain't doing it, man. I ain't doing it. I ain't going any farther out there, man. Nope. I chickened out, man. They warned me. So I don't want to get, if I get stuck out here, I don't even know if AAA can come out here and get me, man. You know what I'm saying? Or if something real bad happens or something. CycleCruza ain't gonna be on Discovery ID, man. I'm getting out of here.
That's that pickup truck that passed me earlier where the dude was staring me down. He's sitting there waiting at the end of the road like he's waiting for me. Man, this shady or what? What's up with this dude, man? Look how slow he's turning there, staring me down. Man, that is shady, bro. I'm glad I listened to my gut feeling and turned around and got the heck off this road. I really should have listened to my neighbors who, by the way, are in their 70s and have been in this area their entire lives. One of them actually used to make moonshine in the backwoods, so they know these backwood folks out here, and they know this area. They said it's a really shady area, that's a sketchy road, and there's been some problems that have happened in that area. They wouldn't elaborate on what exactly happened over here, but I can only imagine. Tell me, guys, would you have gone further down that road? Leave a comment below and let's talk about it.
But it is what it is, man. Like I said, guys, leave a comment below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. I appreciate all you guys. Also, make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. So until next time, I catch you guys later. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.